here's a link to the student Portuguese data. Now, when you set this up and you check out the data, go ahead and give it a try. Standard import pandas is PD, df equals pd.read_csv of the URL. And when we look at the first 5 rows, it doesn't look right. Okay. Now a clue here is you see that there are semicolons here. And instead of basically it's a CSV, which stands for comma separated value, this is a semicolon separated data set. Now there's not a separate method for that. What you do, you go into the read function, and then this SEP stands for separator. And if it's not a comma, you can put in what it is, like a semicolon. And now if you check it out, you'll see that it looks correct.